Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking an overview look at the Kingston 512 gigabyte micro SD card. It's perfect for 4K Ultra HD video. It's the Canvas React version of their card. It's compatible with Android smartphones and with action cameras that can handle sizes this large. I'm going to give you a quick scroll down of the details, and then you can pause the video and read whatever you'd like about it. But this is the 512 gigabyte version, and you can see it's V30 rated, IU3 rated. It's an A1 card, so that means that the apps run pretty quickly on there. There is an A2, but this version, since it's so large, it's A1 right now, and at 100 MBs a second read, so that's why this is rated for 4K Ultra HD. This is Chris Roshnaut on 24K and Twitter and Instagram. Thanks.